T, H I J K L M N O P, Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. J, sit tape. I'm not gonna be fussy. Sit.
So we're gonna read a little book. Oh, that's so beautiful. All right, we're gonna read a little book, and we're gonna talk about punctuation. You know what punctuation is?
I know.
These are big letters. You're going to trace and look at Miss
No,
Taylor.
punctuation
So
is a
look at
little
the A. I'm
period.
going to trace the
What is it?
A,
It's a period.
A period or a,
the B,
what else? What else is it? We talked about it. If you ask a,
D,
Question.
then what's at the end?
A
A
period.
question mark. That's right. So we're gonna talk about periods in this book.
H,
So this is our front page. This is the front page. It's written by, the author is Ladybug. That's who it's written by. All right, and the title is I Can See the Bear. You see there's a period.
R,
You see there's a period, blessings. I can see the bear, period. And what color is the bear?
Brown.
Brown.
C.
Oh, that one's upside down.
Okay.
Okay. I see a bird. It is red. What's at the end? What's that?
A period.
Period. What's at the end?
A period.
A little dot, and it's called a period.
First, write your name.
And do we know what the beginning starts
look
with?
at Miss
What is
Taylor.
this?
I.
If you
And what
can
is
write
that?
the
A letter. It's
you
a
trace it
capital
right. See,
letter,
look, see,
right?
you trace it.
Because it all,
And
the
if you
sentence
can
always
write
starts
it,
with a
raise your
capital
hand if you
letter
can
and
write
ends
the
with a
letter right
period.
beside it.
I have read
So
it.
I'm gonna write the
So
letter.
I
I'm
see
writing the
a
letter.
bird. It is
Write the letter
red.
right
See the
beside
red
it.
bird?
Trace
Let's
it
count how many words in that sentence.
and write it.
1,
The
2,
best you can.
3, 4.
If you
How
can
many
only
words in
trace
this
it,
one? 1,
just
2,
trace it.
3.
You can write it.
Blessings. Pay attention.
See if you can trace and write. Raise
What do
your
you
hand
see,
if you think you can trace and write.
I see a duck.
Please try to
It
trace
is
it.
yellow. What's at the
Okay,
end?
when
I
I you.
know. A period.
A period. And at the end of this,
A period.
blessings, you see the
Okay.
periods?
Turn around.
And you see the
So
beginning
Suri is
word?
here now. We got
Blessings. You see the beginning word is a capital letter. So what does the sentence start with? Always. Serenity. What does the sentence start with? Always.
So say it after me. Write my
Capital
name.
I.
A capital
Trace
letter.
the letter.
It always starts with a capital letter and ends with a
Please not use it to trace the
period.
letter. Okay, so
Because it's a sentence. Come here. All right.
all we have
What do you
now
see?
is the money now.
What do you see, blessings?
All right, say it after Miss Taylor again.
A what?
Say, write my name.
What do you see?
Trace the letter.
What is this?
Write the letter.
Cat. I see a cat. It is purple. Let's count how many words in the sentences. This is the first sentence. Let's count how many words. 1, 2,
But Miss
3,
Taylor calls her
4.
name.
Okay,
Octavia,
let's
go
count
get
how
your
many words in
crayons,
this
crayons,
sentence.
go to Miss Taylor's
1, 2, 3. 3.
Get your crayons, go to
What is this
table.
one?
Put that on the table.
It's a dog.
A dog. A white dog. Okay, so let's read the sentence. Ready? I see a dog. It is white. All right, and you see it starts with a capital letter and it ends with a period. And let's count how many words in the sentence. Blessings, turn around. Blessings. Pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, though. Yeah, you can put it.
I see.
Serenity.
I see a black sheep.
Nope. Let's try again. Because the first one is I see
A sheep.
it.
Samaj,
It
you're
Good job. Now let's count how many words. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just trace it, okay? Tracing our letters.
Good job, Serenity. And what's at the end?
A period.
And what does it start with?
A
A capital letter. Zuri, can you read this one?
I see a frog. It's green.
That's right. I see a frog. It is green. Blessings, do you think you can do this one?
Right, just trace the letter. Samaj, you just trace them, okay? And then draw them back. Write your name first. Amir.
A.
What
do you see?
Trace these letters with your crayons, okay? The best you
What do you
can.
see?
You can draw the back.
Fish. I see a fish. It is gold.
Best you can.
And it starts with a capital letter. And it ends with a period. Serenity. It starts with a capital letter. And it ends with a period. Count how many words, Blessings. Count how many words. Ready? 1, 3, 4. And how many words in this one? 1, 2, 3.
Get your crayons.
All right, Zuri. We'll try this one, Zuri.
What?
It is blue. And what is this again at the end? A period. And what kind of letter does it start with? What kind of letter does it start with? Capital letter. Capital or uppercase? Capital or uppercase letter. It always starts with a capital or
You can write
uppercase letter.
them, write them beside the letter.
So this one,
This
that we're gonna do, we're gonna say what we think comes at the end of it. So we're gonna read the sentence or the question, and we're gonna decide if it's a question or if it's a sentence. Okay? So we're gonna decide if it's a question or if it's a sentence. How do we know if it's a question? Because we can answer it, right? All right. So we're gonna decide if this is a question. Come here, Jay. Jay.
Yes, start with A. Start with A. The first letter of the alphabet. Start with A. A.
All right. We'll take turns. Zuri's gonna go first, and then I'm gonna go around. Okay.
Turn around.
The slide is my
Good job.
favorite. Is that a question or a sentence? A sentence. So what comes at the end?
Somebody over here.
At the end of a
Trace
sentence,
out
what
all the
comes at the
letters. If
end?
you can write them, turn this around.
Does a question mark come at the end of a
The
sentence?
best you can.
No. Does a question mark comes at the end of a question?
Think you can write them
Period
beside them.
comes at the end of a
Just
sentence.
trace.
Remember? Period. That's right.
Good.
Where is my backpack? Question or a sentence? Question, because we can answer it, right?
It's a question.
Because it has an answer. If it didn't have an answer, it would be a sentence. Blessings. Blessings. Can we walk the dog? Is that a question or a sentence? Am I asking you a question? Does it have an answer? Can we walk the dog? Does it have a question, Serenity?
Yes.
Is it a question?
Yes.
So it has a question mark. Because I'm asking you a question, right? So it's a question mark. All right. Zuri. He is riding bikes. Is that a question or a sentence? Does it have an answer? He is riding bikes. Am I telling you something or am I asking you something? I'm not asking you if he's riding a bike. I didn't say, is he riding a bike? Blessings. Come this way. So you can hear. Come scoot this way so you can hear Miss Bell, okay? So I'm telling you he's riding a bike. If it was a question, I would be saying, is he riding his bike? Okay. So it's a period. Okay. Brush your teeth. Am I telling you to do something or am I asking you to do something? Telling. So it's a period. The cookies are done. Am I asking you that the cookies? All right. Am I asking you if the cookies are done or am I telling you the cookies are done? I'm telling you the cookies are done. So that means it's a period. Good job, Zuri. This one we haven't went over. Is this my present? Is this my present? So am I asking if it's my present or am I telling you it's my present? I'm asking. So that means it's a question. If I'm asking you, it's a question. Because I say, is this my present? That's a question. I'm asking you if that one is mine. Would you read to me?
Yes.
So is that a question? Yes. So it has a question mark. Pay attention. Let's pay attention, okay? She is my friend. Am I telling you she's my friend? Blessings? Am I telling you she's my friend? So is it a question or a period? Period, because I'm telling you. Can we have pizza?
Yes.
So is it a question? Am I asking you if we can have pizza? So what comes at the end?
A question mark.
Did you? Okay, here, you could do this one, okay, Zuri? Did you read your book? What is it? Question or sentence? Question. And what comes at the end of the question? Can you show me the question mark? That's a period. That's a question mark. That's right. Because it kind of looks like a period, doesn't it?
Write the letters beside them if you're done. I'll take it.
We're not gonna go. Landon is the first in line. Am I asking you if Landon is first in line, or am I telling you Landon is first in line? Landon is the first in line. I'm telling you Landon's first. I didn't say is Landon first. I said Landon is first. All right. So bring me that plate. Bring me that plate. Is that blessings? Is that a question or a sentence? Bring me that plate. Is it a question? Am I asking you to bring it to me or am I just telling you to bring it to me? I'm telling you to bring it to me. So that means it's a period. It's a period because I said bring me that plate instead of ask. I was rude about it, wasn't I? Because I should have said, will you please bring me that plate, right? And that would have been a question. Feed the cat. Feed the cat. Am I telling you to feed the cat? Or am I asking you to feed the cat? I'm telling you to feed the cat. I'm not even asking. Yeah, I'm kind of being rude about it again, aren't I? I'm just saying feed the cat. Instead of saying, will you please feed the cat? I'm just saying feed the cat. So that means it's a period. Blessings. What is this? And what is this? Question mark. Question mark. Pay attention to Miss Bell. All right. I'll ask you one, Blessings. When will dinner be ready? Am I asking you or am I telling you? Asking. So that means it's a question. Because I'm asking.
She always get mad at me when I get her.
Alright, this is yours. Marva is coming for lunch. Marva is coming for lunch. Serenity. Am I telling you that Marva's coming, or am I asking you if Marva can come? I'm telling, so that is a. I'm telling you. Period. All right. Blessings. Why are you up? Sit down. We gotta stay on task.
Sit down. Try to write the letters after you trace them.
Sleepy?
Stop it.
Okay, we'll have nap time in a little bit, okay? After lunch. No, we're not playing with toys. Blessings.
Why? Why are you crying?
Okay. Blessings. Come here. Found two. Well, we're gonna sort them. So let Matt Chris see them.
Malaya.
So, blessings. Look, blessings. So this is for letters and this is for words. Okay? So which one is a word? Hold on.
She laughed.
Which one is a word? This one is a word. So which one is a letter? All right, Zuri, what do you think? Which one is a word and which one is a letter? Which one's a word? This one is a letter and this one is a word. That's right. Put the word out there. Alright, and what do you think, Serenity? Which one's a letter and which one's a word? Which one's a word? Letter and word. Okay. Which one's a letter and which one's a word? Which one's a word? That one's a word. That's right. That word is bear. Which one's a letter? What, do you know what letter that is? Do you know what letter that is? Letter F. And is a word. So where does that one go? And then one more little thing, and then we'll be done. And this one's just talking about the beginning of our sentences. Good job, ladies. Y'all did good. Y'all did good. Blessings. You need to come sit down. All right. We're going to look at our sentences, okay? Let me see you, Jimmy. Thank you. We're going to look at the beginning of our sentences, okay, Blessings? It says, the cafeteria is serving chicken nuggets today. So, you see at the beginning of this word, you see at the beginning right here, you see this? You see this letter T? It needs to be capital. Zuri. You do? So this letter needs to be a capital letter because it's at the beginning of a sentence, okay? So this is wrong because this isn't a capital. And what is this? Period. Which one of these words need to be capitalized? Are you coming to my birthday party tomorrow? Which one needs to be capital? Which letter? The A, because it's at the beginning of the sentence, and a beginning word needs to be capital. Okay, Serenity, what about you? You have a friendly cat. Which one needs to be capital? Which letter needs to be capital? C. You have a friendly cat. Point to the letter that needs to be capitalized. That one, because it's at the beginning of the sentence. Blessings. I know, I see that. You're supposed to pay attention, okay? We're learning. There is a rainbow high in the sky. Point to the letter that should be capital. Point to the letter. That's right. Good job. Thank you. All right. Whoops. Uncle Dave is moving to a new state. Point to the letter that should be capital. Come here, blessings. That's right. Good job. Serenity. Will you have more tea? Point to the letter. Go ahead.
Put that in your mouth.
Blessings. We are thinking the same thing. Which one? Good job. You gotta wait for Zoom because she's got to finish first. Last one. I have the recipe for the chocolate cake. Point to the letter.
Draw on the back.
Thank you. Point to the period for me. The period at the end of that. That's good job. And point to the question mark for me. Show me where the question mark is. The question mark is at the end of the question. This is a question. It says, will you have more tea? And it's a question mark. Remember, a question mark is when I'm asking something and it's going to answer it. It kind of looks like an ear like this, okay? So what is this one again? What is this one? Question mark. Okay, good job. We're done. You can sit down anyways. Good job, ladies. Thank you. Thank you for helping us with.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna write our letters.